Thank you for waiting, ma'am. Upon check-in, there is an available room for you. By the way, ma'am, what is your name? My name is So, your arrival date is Mrs. Is that correct? And your departure date is May 19th. The time that your arrival is 6 a.m. What type of room do you prefer, ma'am? Do you want a standard room, deluxe room, or residential room? Deluxe room. The rate of your room, ma'am, is 7,000. And may I know your home address, ma'am? May I know your mobile number, ma'am? 752. And your email address? Ito sa How would you like to settle your payment, ma'am? Sa card. It is guaranteed or no? Yes. May I need the number of your credit card, ma'am? 000 And may I know your name of your card holder, ma'am? And the expiry date of your card holder. December 3rd, 2026. Do you have any special request, ma'am? That's great, ma'am. I'll just repeat your reservation for ma'am. Your name is Benedict Lucy, and your arrival date is May 16, and your departure is May 19, and the estimated time is 6 a.m. You will stay in our hotel in 3 days, and your room is the last room, and the rate code of your room is 7,000, and your room address is Bambang Vizcaya, and your mobile number is 0928-751-252, and your email address is benedictlucy@gmail.com. So you settle your payment by Visa, and it is guaranteed, and your credit card number is 0001234567, and your card holder name is Benedict Lucy, and the expiry date is December 2026, and the guilty person is ma'am, and you have no any special requests, Mr. Card. Thank you for choosing this Kayano Hotel, and see you on May 16. Have a good day. Okay, hi. Welcome to this Kayano Hotel. Do you have any reservation? Do you fill out these forms while you process your registration? What type of room do you want? We have a standard room, deluxe room, and residential room. I would like to have a standard room. So you settle your payment via cash? Yes. And may I have your ID for verification? So you can just visit us. Here is your key card, ma'am, and your room is 301. Thank you for choosing this Kayano Hotel, and have a good day. Here is Benedict Lucy, the service for today, and she will assist you to your room. Thank you. Mabuhay! Welcome to this Kayano Hotel. I am Veronica Bangoriado, your welcome for today. Sir, may I help you with your body? Our guest is here for SMG.
Which is Hawaii,
How's your travel so
tiring, but it's great.
Are you here for business or for
I'm here for a vacation.
Here we are to your room floor, sir. This way here, sir. Here we are to your room, sir. Room 301. Room service. Here you are your tickets. How's your room, sir?
Great.
Where do you want to keep your luggage, sir?
Let's go over there.
It is your ticket, sir. Thank you for choosing this grand hotel and have a good day, sir.
Good day, Mr. Lucy. I am Rosemary Coliado, front office associate.
Good morning.
Ma'am, can you have a minute to talk about the Vizcayana Hotel Club membership?
Yes, sure, go ahead.
That's great, ma'am. According to our hotel database, you have been staying in hotel almost twice a month and availing our products and services frequently. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
In that case, ma'am, I would like to ask you if you want to avail the club membership, which is good for 1 year.
Okay, can you please explain the benefits of your club membership? Thank you.
The membership cost is 2,500 pesos that include 10% to 15% discount on our hotel rooms and 10% discount on our selected products and services like the restaurant menu and a booking events in our function hall and meetings. And you can also avail our services in spa and massage with 20% discount, free usage also, ma'am, of our swimming pool, recreational areas like badminton, table tennis, basketball, and fitness gym every weekend. Aside from that, ma'am, your immediate family members may also use your membership card for your extended family members. They may also enjoy and experience the promos and discount if they avail at least 2 deluxe room or suite room in our hotel. Ma'am, are you interested about the club membership because we go with our loyal guests?
Okay, I will avail.
Ma'am, we can offer 50% down payment and the remaining balance can be paid 1 month after the membership fee.
Okay, here's my payment.
Ma'am, I received the exact amount. Please wait for a while, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Can you fill out the registration form together with your personal details and your signature or your printed name at the lower right side of the form? Thank you, ma'am. Alright, ma'am. You already completed the form and meet the necessary requirements. Here is your membership club card. In the front of card, indicate your name and your account number. And at the back of the card is the expiry date. You can sign at the back of the card so you will know if the card is eligible. Kindly present this card every time you check in our hotel to avail our products and services.
Thank you.
Ma'am, if you have any question and any queries, don't hesitate to call us.
Okay.
Ma'am, here is your membership club card. It was such an honor to give you a high-quality service, experience, and enjoyment in our hotel because here in Vizcayana Hotel, your accommodation is right where you need it. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How may I help you? I want to check. Please wait a moment, ma'am. Have a seat. Great housekeeping. Please check room 301 for check-in. Room 301 for check-in. Thank you. Please proceed. We are ready for check-in. Upon checking, you have still a balance for 7,000. Thank you, ma'am. I received the extra. Here is your still. And I have the picture. Thank you. staying in Sierra Hotel. And by the way, ma'am, here is your doorbell. Thank you. Have a good day, ma'am.